Welcome back. My name's Dre. I help men master their journey, and in this morning time video, man, we're gonna talk about masculine frame. We are gonna handle some myths, some hard truths that I know you're doing. I know that you can't stop it because I was there, man. I did this shit for years, thinking it was helping me. It wasn't. Not at all. Not even close. So before I begin, I want to quickly announce that there is a masculine meditation workshop in the description for free. Go check it out, man. It'll do you right. It'll get you on the path of meditation. This is the first step, man. I have a sacral chakra meditation course, an absolute full in-depth course coming to you very soon, but you have to learn to meditate first. You have to. The course will be worthless to you if you haven't put the tool of meditation in your fucking toolbox. So listen up, man. Let's jump right into this. Masculine frame. See, so many times I would use masculine frame for pickup or hooking up or one night stands, getting girls, but this is not lasting. And the more and more I did this, the more I realized that I wasn't having any damn fun. Like, I had it in my head that, I need to get laid. I need to get a piece of ass. Dude, it's not fun. If you've never had sex before, sure. It's an experience. Sure, I get it. But further down that road, there's this realization you come to. All of these things that I've been doing, these masks that I've been putting on to get a certain outcome, it's not me, and it's fake as fuck. So the outcome of every one of these situations was me feeling like I needed more. I just wanted more. I wanted more of a connection. I like being around people. I enjoy the company of a woman. I'm not trying to just pump and dump, man. That wasn't me. I learned that the hard way. And I want to tell you, man, that it's not all it's cracked up to be. It's not. If you really want to have some fun, let go, find who you are first. Build the man. Build the man first. If you do this and put this in place, there's no mask. There's no facade of, if I just be this way, then I can spark attraction. Or if I say these things in this manner and go step by step, then I can get her emotionally involved with me. Fuck all that, man. That is played out in the past. PUA, hookup tactics. Why? For me personally, and a lot of the men that I've coached, when I lay this on them, and I'm like, look, man, would you rather have to put on a mask and do the same fucking thing like a clown every time you want to have the company of a woman in your life? Or would you rather just be you, be authentic, be the man that you have created? That's where confidence comes from. That's where the value you have comes from. It comes from the work you put into yourself. Building the man that you want to be. Dude, when that's all in place, you can fucking clown. What I learned later on is that I like to fucking clown with girls, man. I like girls that know how to have fun and let loose and be cool, man. But you also have to be the man. That is where all the shit in the beginning was fucking me up. I was constantly trying to lead. I was constantly trying to, do all the pickup tactics, disqualify, okay? Show intent without showing intent, all this stupid shit that comes naturally, man. It comes so naturally when you just build yourself into a fucking exceptional human being. Then, for one, the people that you attract are on your wavelength. They're not just random fucking people you meet, okay? That's where the block happened, that it really comes down to before meditation and your spiritual journey of finding your true self, and after that. Because after that, I mean, I can't even think about going up and just hooking up with somebody naturally. Why the fuck would I do that? It's a waste of time. It's a waste of time, dude. I would rather attract people into my life through the law of attraction and the law of assumption. They are laws, metaphysical laws that you must abide by. They're happening every day. You are doing this every damn day. Make it optimized to your life. Just fucking optimize the shit out of your life. And awesome shit happens, man. See, when you stop acting and you stop hiding behind this frame that is just it's a mask. It's a facade, dude. When you create the man who is masculine in an awesome, positive, fun way, and you're just super high vibe, you got nothing but love and gratitude, but you still know how to be a man. You're on your purpose. Girls don't want to fucking lead, man. They want to just go along and have fun. Like, that is the truth. Girls just want to have fun. And you know what I started to learn? I started to date much more attractive women, much more positive, and just awesome people, man. I am not, and you should not, fucking just hang out with somebody purely for some sort of desire you have for them. Fuck that. Have fun. Live life. Learn to be an authentic human being. And the greatest people will come into your life. Attractive people on all levels. People that are high value. I consider a female that I'm hanging out with high value when they have exactly the same things in place that I preach to you guys. Your nutrition, your fitness, your spirituality, and your passion in life. They're on their jam. They have created a life of positivity, love, gratitude, peace, enlightenment for themselves. Therefore, sharing it with another person with no outcome, we want nothing from each other. We just enjoy each other's company. And badass shit happens, man. Fucking cool ass shit happens. I mean, I'm kind of afraid to say this, but more intense sexual experiences will happen. You get to meet more people, and in turn, because you're not some fucking petty, like, this is my woman, this is mine, and you like claim some woman, you can actually meet her guy friends. Yes, women have guy friends and that they don't use. There are women like that out there. Now, I know, man, I know that there are some shitty human beings out there, but don't make the mistake of thinking that every single person fits that category of negative, super toxic bullshit. There are also fucking awesome people out there, man. Look, if you are attracting negative, toxic people into your life, it is a reflection of who you are. Just get that through your damn head, dude. I used to watch content, you know, especially red pill content. Now, there is female nature, and there's also masculine nature. They go hand in hand, but there's toxic nature and positive nature. We are humans. We are both yin yang. Accepted. Awesome. That's the truth. But here's the thing. If you are attracting negative, toxic, shitty people into your life, men and women, that's who you are. Your external world is a reflection of who you are inside. Change that first. I talk a lot about masculinity, masculine frame, and masculine energy. And the thing that I preach all the time, that's why I didn't create this as a dating channel. Because you have to build the man first. And then all those things that you want will come into your fucking life. This is the shit that I missed for years. I couldn't figure it out. I was like, well, I'm super skilled. I have all the tactics and tricks and hacks and everything. I know how to act. I know how to do this. I know how to do this with women and how to meet guy friends and all this shit. Being extremely socially fine-tuned. But still, shit wasn't going down like I wanted. That's what I was missing. the internal, the deep core beliefs, okay? The energy that you protrude. It's got to change, man. It has to change. Being masculine and having masculine frame is a tiny increment to being a real authentic man. I hope this video helped you, man. Click the link in the description if you want a little meditation workshop, man. Check it out. Like this video. I want you to subscribe to the channel and share this with a friend. I'll see you in the next one, man.